So much rain. Oh yeah.
This road is not open.
It's not open.
Just landslide.
Oh, landslide.
Yes.
Oh, so I cannot go there.
No.
Young guys and drinking alcohol is usually not the best combination in terms of safety. I have a tent with me in my backpack. I would like to put my tent somewhere here in the village.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have to ask the headman first.
Okay, yeah, sure, I understand. Yeah. Oh, I cannot eat spicy. Because now I have Indian sim. I think your mother also wants to ride motorbike. Bye bye, nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye, thank you. Then to the left. Perfect. Okay, thank you so much for everything. Bye bye. Good morning, guys. Today I woke up somewhere in a village in the hills of Meghalaya, and I stayed in the house of a family that I met yesterday here. Okay, right now I'm heading towards a living root bridge, and I think Meghalaya is kind of famous for these kind of bridges. From here it's like 45 kilometers. But it's, yeah, the road is not very good, so it's probably gonna take me a bit, maybe 1 to 2 hours, I would say. The weather has changed real quick. It's storming super hard, and there was also some lightning. Yeah, maybe I have to find some shelter because it doesn't look too good. What to do? Oh. Yeah, I think it's about to rain. I'm just gonna sit here for a bit and see what happens. Hello. You also have food?
Food.
What kind of? Oh, it's starting to rain really hard. I have to save my luggage. So much rain! Oh yeah. Oh! Oh my! Thank you. Yeah, I want to go to Living Root Bridge, small one. It's 30 kilometers from here.
Like how kilometers is it?
Wait, I show you. Here.
So this road is not open.
It's not open.
Just landslide.
Oh, why is it not open?
Landslide.
One side.
Landslide.
Oh, landslide.
Yes.
Oh, so I cannot go there.
No.
Oh,
Can go
other way around. Yeah. Okay.
long distance.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so the good news is that the weather has cleared up. So I waited for like 2 hours in that restaurant, and now there's blue skies again. Well, some parts. are blue. And the bad news is that I cannot go to the bridge where I wanted to go because there has been a landslide and the road is closed now, and they think it will be open in like 2 or 3 days. Yeah, but I'm not gonna wait that long. So actually maybe I can get to the bridge, but I have to take a very long detour. So instead of 1 hour, I now have to ride 3 hours. But yeah, I'm gonna do it anyway. Because YOLO. Do people still say YOLO? I think it's more a thing we said in 2010. Anyway, it's already a little bit late because I had to wait for 2 hours before the rain and the thunder stopped. Yeah, some people, they maybe still continue riding when it's raining, but I don't really have any waterproof gear to put my stuff in. So my laptop and camera, it's all packed in garbage bags. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's gonna save my electronics when it's raining. So that's why I had to find some shelter. Because I had to wait for 2 hours, it's already a bit late. So I'm not even sure if I can make it to the bridge today. But I will see how far I will get. And if not today, then tomorrow. Oh, wow. That looks very nice. It's a river. Oh, the water is clear as well. So actually for a second I thought maybe it would be nice to camp next to that river. But I saw a lot of young guys who were also camping there, and I'm guessing they are also drinking. Not drinking tea, but alcoholic drinks. And there's not really a village nearby, and you know, young guys and drinking alcohol is usually not the best combination in terms of safety. So yeah, I better don't risk it. It seems like I have reached the border area again. So on the right side it's Bangladesh again. Okay, I kind of changed my plan because I don't have any connection, and so I don't really know how far it is until I reach that bridge, but I think it's gonna take me at least 1 more hour, and it's already 5 p.m. So yeah, I just passed a village here, so I think I'm just gonna ask there if I can pitch up my tent. And also in this area there's not really any homestays or whatsoever. Yeah, and if I cannot sleep in this village, then I still have some time to look for another place. But yeah, it's better to find a place before it's dark, because that feels a bit safer. Hello. Do you speak English? So I have a tent with me in my backpack. But you know a tent, what it is? For camping. But I would like to put my tent somewhere here in the village.
Here,
Yes.
in here.
Yeah, just somewhere on a piece of land. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm looking for a place to pitch up my tent, but I always like to put it near a village, so it's a bit safer.
I think you have to talk to the villagers then.
Yeah, I asked this girl.
I think you ask them, they'll probably let you know.
Yeah, hopefully.
No, even it's not a 10 man submit. Now you want, no? For today only?
Yeah, for tonight. Yeah, in the morning I leave, tomorrow morning. And I'm just
yeah,
one.
they have to ask the headman first.
Okay, yeah, sure, I understand.
Yeah.
It's possible? Oh, thank you. Oh, it's hot. Yeah.
Hindi?
No, also no Hindi. You speak Hindi?
Yeah.
You speak Kasi and Hindi.
Hindi. Bengali also.
Oh, but also Bengali. Oh, three language. I only speak Netherlands language and English. Yeah, only two languages.
Your country?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Oh, thank you.
From Netherlands, you come alone.
Yes.
Marne jangan net.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I cannot eat spicy.
Kata dia kajing biji bilang sulur baik.
Is there always leeches or only this season?
Only this season.
Oh, because now it's rainy season, then there's leeches.
Only in field.
Only in the field, not here. But I think they're not dangerous. Just a bit dirty. Yeah, one time I was hiking in jungle and then my entire leg was with leeches. So I used salt to remove them. So apparently there's a lot of leeches in this season. So they are now waiting for the headmaster of the school to ask if I can sleep in the school. So let's see. And otherwise I just have to remove the leeches once they get stuck to my body. It's, yeah. Can I park it here? Yep. The headmaster is, by the way, now fishing in the river. So that's why we have to wait for him to come back. Oh.
What do you call in your language?
Koe.
Koe.
In Kassie?
Masih.
Massie?
Masih nak bisa have seven kita say.
How many cow you have?
7.
7 cow. Ooh. Oh, this one is pregnant.
Hey, kamu. Bapak anak ngai kayak pita you.
Sorry, don't much. Next.
This you catch today.
Yeah. Don't much.
How many hours you went fishing?
Maybe 1 hour.
1 hour.
That's why it's very hot. That's why.
Yeah. You eat the fish or
Yeah.
or you sell?
No.
Uh-huh.
It's gone.
Oh, it's gone again.
Yeah.
Okay, not staying in the school, not camping in the field full of leeches, but I'm allowed to sleep inside this bedroom.
You eat egg?
Egg, yes, I eat egg. Yeah.
Potato fry or not?
Potato, yeah, whatever you have, I can eat.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do too much effort
It's
for me.
okay. You can first time in my place.
And this is the kitchen?
Yeah. This
Oh,
is my,
nice.
kitchen.
And how many people live here in the house? Oh, just two.
One is going to school.
One is going to school.
Yeah.
So it's just the two of you.
Actually, my grandmother is not here. She's in another place
Okay.
for visiting people.
Yeah.
Their daughter.
Oh, hello. Hello.
She's the youngest girl.
Hello.
Madam Fisher, want to take tea? She's
Tea?
saying,
Oh, yeah, sure.
oh,
yeah.
Place making tea.
Thank you.
Kasi people
It's
we are making other
Kasi chair.
Yeah, kasi chair.
And you make them yourself?
No, we are
Oh, you
buying
buy?
another place. If I want to say your name,
Maika.
Maika.
Yes.
Nice name.
And you?
Your title?
Oh, Heiman
Hi, Mom.
is my last name, my family name.
Maika.
Maike
Maika.
Heiman.
Hi, Mom. Maika. Hi, Mom.
Yeah. And you?
My name is Bunam.
Buna?
Bunam.
Buna?
Yeah. B-U-H-N-A-M. Bunam.
And your last name?
Yes. My last name, my title, Dingo.
Dingo.
Yeah. Yeah, saying,
Oh, light is back.
Yeah.
How do you call this, what you are wearing?
This
Yeah.
in our language,
Yes.
chicken,
Chikar?
rat chicken.
Rachikar.
But in Shillong language, jengkersia.
And it's traditional Kasi outfit. Yeah, everybody wears it. It's so nice. I really like it. Thank you for cooking. This is the dal, right?
Yeah, yes, done.
Yeah, nice. And you have fried fish.
Yeah. It's my chair.
Oh, your homemade chair.
Yeah.
How long did it take to make the chair?
Maybe only for half a while. Maybe.
Half an hour?
Yeah.
So quick. Oh, wow. I cannot do it. Enjoy your food. Okay, this is the sleeping situation for tonight. It's time to go to bed. Bye bye.